Let's check how the midi sounds, the melody. Okay, sounds pretty good, but yeah, maybe too high. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's make some notes shorter. I think some notes are too long. You have to play a little bit with the notes, especially it's depending on the lead you use, of course, but I think this one needs some variations. Here as well. Okay. Okay, that sounds solid, I think, for now. Okay, let's check how the second layer sounds. Okay. That sounds good. Let's check if it sounds better on a lower key.